Hi everyone. Here at Pandium, we understand that every company has different integration needs. That's why we support 3 unique ways to access your partner's APIs. First, we have a traditional cron-based integration. You develop the integration on your own, create a Pandium AI-generated integration in under 5 minutes, or do a combination of both using our vetted Pandium API clients. We also support webhook-based integrations. You can also develop this type of integration traditionally or by using Pandium AI Integration Generator. Cron-based integrations are best for consistent large amounts of complex data transfer. If you're integrating with Netsuite, Fulfill, Salesforce, Quickbooks, or systems like that, cron-based integrations are ideal. On the other hand, webhook-based integrations are ideal for fast action-based triggers. Think things like checking order cancellation requests, shipping calculations, or new website visitors. Do you have an integration that combines those needs? Do you need to do complex payroll calculations every 12 hours, but also be immediately notified when an employee clocks in? Awesome! You can write or use Pandium AI to generate an integration that supports unique crons, webhook triggers, and cron-based webhook validation. So we're going to be using Pandium's AI generator to create a cron and webhook integration between Gorgias and Iterable. So we're going to map Gorgias customers to Iterable users and subscribers. We'll map a purchase user event to a custom field in Gorgias, and then also an email click to a custom field in Gorgias. So we have our cron-based events and our webhook-based events. You can see here that I've went ahead and created a tenant using our new release of both a cron and webhook-based integration. I went ahead and ran a manual sync that you can see here. And as you see, our cron events kicked off. And then as soon as a webhook comes in, we'll receive that as well. And you can see what the trigger was for each run, either cron, manual, or webhook, right here. But wait, there's more. Do you need instantaneous transmission of discrete data? Maybe you don't need a full ETL, or you're already managing one on your internal platform. Are you facing challenges with getting into approved SaaS marketplaces? All of these are use cases for the Pandium Proxy API application. With the Pandium Proxy API, your customers only need to authenticate once in Pandium, after which you can make API calls to their partner data on their behalf. Pandium manages all the secret storage and authentication struggles, and you simply call the API when needed using secure variables. So here I have Postman. I'm using our tenant ID for the tenant that we connected, and I have the Iterable connector marked. So we're using the Pandium API to call the Iterable API on this customer's behalf. And boom! Anything is possible with Pandium.